I'm currently at FIC. FIC refers Food Ingredients China. It's held in March every year. And let's head to this hall and we can check each one. This hall is replete with the international exhibitors. That one's Gelita. Gelita. 继承. Yeah. Capo Biotech. Yeah, it's pretty nice. What about that one? Healthcare. There are some sugars. This one is called Home Tree. It's quite rare. And they've got a lot of different food, different portions of food. And this one is Wealthy. Yeah, Wealthy. CMC. Milkway. Yeah, Milkway. Pretty nice. Bailong. What about this one? It's pretty big, this one. They have their own uniforms, so they can keep the company's brand more strengthened. Bailong, Tianjin, Kai. It's from Tianjin. And this one is soy protein. Yeah. Soy. Green food. Less of frais. Yeah, maybe my utterance is not accurate since the different logo they have it has different pronunciation. Yeah, if you want to focus on that company, you can pause for a while and then you can search it on Google and you can get the entire name. That one's ingredient. Maybe my utterance isn't accurate, but you can see that. Blue Mage Biotech. Yeah. Tailai. Tate Lai. Yeah. Junlong from Guangzhou. Azelis maybe. Baolin, I'm sorry, Baolin. Troven. BASF, we create chemistry. It's from Deutschland. I think everyone knows this one. Star Pro. The name is pretty nice. Lovelaces. I saw it last year. It was here too. IFF. Make joy and enjoyment best. That one's Infat. INFAT. Yeah, this hall is replete with the multinational exhibitors. They come from different parts of this world. This is the second day of displaying, so we can see a lot of visitors. Okay, just now that lady looked at me since my voice was too loud maybe. too loud. As I speak English here, I'm Chinese. I speak English loudly. Sometimes people just look at me weirdly. I'm okay. This is in the public place. If I talk in a low pitch, maybe you can't catch me. They're just curious. ROQUETTE. This one is from Europe, offering the best of nature. Yeah, the name is pretty nice. Offer the best of the nature. It's pretty good. This one is damming. Maybe it's from Fujian. Zhongbai. Green fresh. Its name is superb. Green and fresh. Not only green, also fresh. So when we eat or drink, we need the fresh offers. It does good for your health. ROBERTET. Green fresh. This one is ADM. Maybe the first one is a logo. It isn't a letter. ADM, meeting tomorrow's nutrition challenges today. Yeah, the slogan is quite inspiring. DKSH. The red is not a drab at all. Very eye-catching. So you can see it from a long distance. Cargill. CERGILL. What about this one? Eagle. Star. Eagle is kind of a bird. It's a nice name. Ovadan. OVODAN. NHU. Okay, guys, I've covered the main aisle, so I think I've got the most of the exhibitors in this hall. I'm a little bit tired. I don't want to go to the both sides. I mean the side along the wall. So if you like this video, just give me a like. Your like is just like a diamond for me. I'm a volunteer, you know. Gushen, specialist soy proteins. Proteins, I'm not sure. It's not a very useful, it's not a frequently used word. And let's go and see that one. Ingredia. INGREDIA. Okay, guys, this is the end of the haul. If you like this video, just give me a like. Your like really matters a lot for me. I will see you guys later. Bye bye, everyone. Ciao, ciao. See you.